There are a lot of things to be kept in mind and processes to be followed to create better software. By striving to uphold them, engineers are not only creating good software but also a better reputation for themselves. These are called best practices and we will go through some of them today. So let's get to it. Planning. One should always have a plan of action while developing a software, no matter which technology or technologies are involved. Being impulsive and just winging it might get you results in short term, but it might become a problem sooner or later. For example, let's say you are developing a web application. You should actually consider all the requirements beforehand and analyze which technologies are apt for those requirements, not while building the software. Modularizing. Files, classes, functions and methods should be kept as short as possible and they should be doing the only job they are supposed to. Nothing more and certainly nothing less. This increases the readability of the entire code and also it will help in scaling the application in the future. Commenting and documenting. This might be the most overlooked part of the software development process. How many of us have went back to something that was written by us maybe 1 or more years back and wondered what it was all about? You'll probably think, how could you have coded something that bad? But that's not what we are talking about right now. But if you had incorporated necessary comments and a proper documentation, you might have a better idea what it is all about and how you might be able to improve it. Test-driven development. Test-driven development should come naturally to every software engineer. You might be tempted to skip it all and get to the results faster, and it most probably will, but it almost comes at a cost. Every software should be tested before going into production. So if you are not writing tests the first time, your testing team will bring you the bugs. And trust me, it might not be always at the most convenient of times, or worse, it might only be found in production. Now I'm not saying just by writing tests you are going to create a bug-free software, but it will certainly help in reducing their numbers significantly. Using frameworks. Maybe you are a fan of creating everything from scratch and there is absolutely nothing wrong with that. But you might be solving a problem that has already been solved and that is simply wasting time. Nowadays, there are frameworks for almost every technologies that are open source and with the backing of huge communities. So use them to solve the real problems rather than reinventing the wheel. So these were just 5 among the long list of best practices for software engineering. Obviously, there are much more. And as always, please comment your opinions below and tune in for similar content.